This is something I just thought about. It's real early in the morning. I don't know what it is, 6:30 in the morning. I've taken off the tube that I had on, or the hose, I'm sorry, on the upper part of the cylinder. I went and found myself a little brass piece that I've had for a long time. What I'm thinking about is doing this. I got this little old-fashioned deal. If I were to take this brass piece, copper or whatever the hell it is, take that off, and I put it onto here, and it barely fits in here, the brass piece. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in boiling water for, I don't know, 3-4 minutes, and then I'm going to take this brass piece and I'm going to take it and put it right in the center, so that when the hose kinks, it's going to have a spot in the middle. Anyway, that's what I'm going to try. Last night I put on all the MotoSeal, gray MotoSeal on everything that I'm going to put back in the motor, because I don't have new gaskets, which is fine. I'll just put a little bit of gray MotoSeal on the areas. You can see the these are Boyson reeds, $60 reeds. I have custom sanded and put in, and I hope they'll work okay without any spring stops, such as these right here. These are the spring stops, and I haven't found any that will not succumb to metal fatigue. So that's why I'm not going to use them. So I figured what I'd do is, instead of cutting these are my last Boyson reeds, which worked great. Instead of cutting the reeds with the slot down the middle, I would just leave them square and see if that works. Everything has been tightened down. I've used red, or excuse me, you want to use blue thread locker. You don't want to use red. Red, you need a cutting torch to heat up the bolts to get them off. So I'm going to put this reed cage back in the reed cage assembly, whatever. Put this back on the bike. This fits in just like this. You can see how smooth the reeds are. Now I hope they'll stay that way, and I hope they'll there won't be any reed flutter at high speed. But this is all an experiment, so I'm just having fun. It's just great. And of course, if these don't work that good, then I can always put back in the ones I just took out, which I know work because you all heard the motor run. Alright, that's where I'm at right now. And we continue.